Hey, MC Seth here, coming at you from the spare room. This time we're talking Brexit and how it's going to affect your e-commerce store. So let's get into the meat and bones of it, shall we? Right, for those of you who don't know, I'm Joseph, MC Seth, DJ Seth, Seth, whatever you want to call me, it's fine. I run the Serial Carnage YouTube channel where I give tips, tricks and tutorials about how to make your e-commerce store as good as it can be. And this time we're going to be talking about Brexit and what you need to do to prevent incurring charges or delays when shipping to the United Kingdom from these stores. Now, I just want to mention that if you've got a RedBubble store or a Teespring store, this is not something that you need to worry about because they are the merchant and they will have an EORI number, so you don't need to apply for one in that sense. If it comes to a point in the future where you do, I'm sure that RedBubble or Teespring or whoever you use will let you know that you need to do this. This is more for people who have a Shopify or Etsy or their own website where they're shipping goods to United Kingdom themselves and they are the merchant, because you will incur the costs if you don't have this number. So I'm just going to take you to the government website in the UK where you can apply for it. So I'll just run through this first paragraph here because this tells you what it means basically. So you need an EORI number to move goods between Great Britain or the Isle of Man and other countries. You may also need a separate EORI number if you move goods to or from Northern Ireland. If you do not have an EORI number, I hate saying that word. If you do not have an EORI number, you may have increased costs and delays. For example, if HM Revenue and Customs cannot clear your goods, you may have to pay storage fees. So if you already have an EORI number, and it does not start with GB, you will need to apply for a new one. So it's not something that's new, it's been around for a while, but you definitely need to do this if you've got your own website or Shopify or Etsy, like I said before, and you're shipping to the United Kingdom, because you don't want to incur those costs. Now, something interesting I see on YouTube the other day while watching a video, well, obviously I was watching a video, it's YouTube, a seller that I follow in New York, he just completely cut off the UK because he doesn't want to deal with all this, and I can completely understand that. So that's also an option for sellers if you don't want to deal with another tax, form, because living in New York you have to deal with 2 tax forms already, so you don't want a third, and as he mentioned in his video, if the UK has done this, then there's nothing stopping any other country from doing this too. So so another option is to stop selling to the UK at all, but there's like 65 million people here, you've got to weigh up your options and make sure it benefits you. So it's not a long video. You can just scroll down to the bottom here and click on the apply button. If you live in the United Kingdom, then you've used this website before for multiple things such as VAT and all that stuff. So it's very simple. It's a 5-minute process as far as I know. I haven't done it myself because I don't need to at the moment. I have started an Etsy store, but I just sell digital on there, and it's it makes it a lot simpler. I was going to sell physical, but when I found about the Brexit changes, I just decided I'm just going to go digital there, and that's that. So back to my big face. I'm going to bid you a good day and good luck in your e-commerce business. If you've got any questions or anything like that, don't forget to pop them down in the comment section below.